Hello students, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to talk about RIZVI Law College. So today we'll see how many seats are available in this college, the college का admission process क्या है, and how much score is required in MH CET Law examination to get admission in this college. So this college is located in Bandra, which is in Mumbai, and this college is also affiliated to the University of Mumbai. So now talking about the number of seats available in this college. So in terms of 3 years LLB program, इस कॉलेज में 180 सीट्स अवेलेबल है. एंड नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट 5 years इंटीग्रेटेड एलएलबी प्रोग्राम, तो ये कॉलेज में टोटल 120 सीट्स अवेलेबल है. सो नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द एक्सपेक्टेड स्कोर रिक्वायर्ड इन 2021 एग्जामिनेशन. सो इफ यू आर टारगेटिंग दिस RIZVI Law College, so in terms of 3 years LLB program, you need to score more than 96 marks out of total 150 marks. And in terms of 5 years integrated LLB program, you need to score more than 103 marks out of total 150 marks to secure admission in this college. So in case if you have started your preparation and you want to know your preparation level, so for that we have launched a mock test on our application. You can download the application from Play Store, and also the link is provided in the description box. So you can download it and you can come to know your preparation level by giving this mock test. So now talking about the admission process. So basically there are 2 examinations. So if you are preparing for 3 years LLB program, you need to appear for 3 years Maharashtra Law CET examination. And in case if you are preparing for 5 years integrated LLB program, you need to appear for 5 years Maharashtra Law CET examination. So first step comes here is to prepare for the examination. After that you need to register yourself for the examination. उसके बाद आपको मिलता है हॉल टिकट. हॉल टिकट पे जो एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर होता है, आपको वो एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर पे जाके एंट्रेंस एग्जाम देना होता है. आफ्टर दैट यू गेट योर रिजल्ट्स, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट एक ऑनलाइन सेंट्रलाइज्ड एडमिशन प्रोसेस होता है जिसको हम कैप राउंड भी बोलते हैं, where you are supposed to select the college preferences, and on the basis of that आपको एक कॉलेज allocate होता है. एंड आपको जो कॉलेज allocate हुआ है, आपको वो कॉलेज में जाके डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिशन करना होता है, and then finally you get admission in that particular law college. So this was the admission process. So in case if you have any doubts or any questions, you can post your question in the comment section. Also you can contact us directly on 8383818888. And you can also access to our website which is www.beducare.com. and अगर आपने आपका preparation start नहीं किया है, so you can start your preparation for MH CET Law examination with us. We are coaching classes for Maharashtra CET Law exam. We provide classroom coaching in Mumbai. We provide live classes. We also provide video lecture programs, and we provide books as well as mock exams. So our application is available on Play Store, and it is also available on Apple Store. So you can download the application and give the mock test and can access the other courses as well. In case if you want to know more about this college and you want to know more about Maharashtra CET Law examination, you can contact us on this number, and you can call or WhatsApp on this number. Thank you so much for watching this video.